You're not going to go anywhere. Stop. Vehicle's taking off.
What looked like a minor traffic stop could have ended with a warning.
It's either we're going to take you out of the car or you're going to step out on your own. Take your pick.
Instead, it led to a tense standoff and a shocking discovery.
Step out.
Step out.
Okay.
A sheriff's deputy conducts a late-night traffic stop
Can I help you?
on a vehicle with an obstructed license plate.
Can you roll your window down?
No, sir. Can I help you? What did you pull me over for?
I'll explain it to you. You're going to roll your window down.
No, you're going to answer my question first.
You're going to roll your window down or I'm going to open your door.
You are not going to do that.
I am.
No, sir.
Okay. 224, Supervisor en route. Can you roll the window down lower so I can explain to you why I stopped you?
You're not going to force your way into my vehicle. You're not going to attack me.
Can you roll your window down so I can explain to you what happened?
My question, why did you
No, you're going to do what I tell you. That's not how this works.
Then I'm going to pull you into a parking
No, you're not.
gas station and you can tell your
No,
supervisor.
you're not going to go anywhere. Stop. Vehicle's taking off. RaceTrac.
Alright, all units, 33 traffic vehicle taking off from the racetrack. What are you charging?
Just resisting. She's trying to back into a parking spot.
She's still in the parking lot?
Dispatch has been updated.
She took off from me and now she's parked in a racetrack parking spot after I told her not to. Alright, careful. Put her Terminator down behind the tire if you can.
The driver pulls into a well-lit racetrack gas station.
I got her semi-blocked in.
But instead of cooperating, she makes an unexpected move.
591, where's the location of your emergency?
Yes, I'm here in Palm Coast at a gas station. First of all, an officer practically harassed me throughout
Okay, which gas?
Sheriff's office, step out of the vehicle. Do it now. Step out of the car.
Will you please tell them to stop threatening me and, like, making something out to be, like...
Where are you at right now?
I'm being threatened and I don't feel comfortable.
All right, tell her to look to her left. Tell her the supervisor's standing out there under the call. You got it. Come on. Your time's running out.
All right, you need to get off the phone with me and you need to speak with law enforcement, okay?
Roll your window down. Roll it down.
I tried to ask them why they pulled me over. He told me that he was going to force his way into my vehicle, break my window, and wouldn't answer any of my questions. I'm, like, shaking in fear now because I have two officers here bombarding my car. I told him that I was going to pull into a parking space and that he could call whoever he was calling. I don't feel comfortable with them, like, shouting orders, possibly pointing guns at me. I don't know because they have all the lights pointed in my eyes.
Okay, there's a supervisor en route over, okay? Hold on.
I'm not opening my door. I'm not opening my window anymore for anybody.
Okay, all right.
All right, look, just roll your window down. We'll talk, okay? Just at work. Just. I tell you what. Hey, hang on. Listen. Just listen to me. Listen to me. I'll tell you. I don't know. I wasn't here. Okay.
Hey, alright. Who's gotten Shatterball?
We're gonna break your window out. Here's the deal. Listen to me. Listen to me. If you don't want to talk, okay. Okay. Here, I get it. Listen. Unfortunately, these are your options now. These are your options now, okay? These are your options. You're under arrest and you need to get out. It's either we're going to take you out of the car or you're going to step out on your own. Take your pick. Take your pick. You have 10 seconds to decide and I'm done. Take your pick. The clock's running out. What's it going to be? You want your car smashed or are you going to get out? What's it going to be? You want your window broke or are you going to get out? Take your pick. Okay. Okay, we're moving in. We're going to break your window. We're doing it. You're under arrest. Put your hands up. Hands up.
With your right hand, take your seatbelt off.
She's gonna crawl.
Right hand.
She's gonna crawl to us. Take off your seatbelt. Crawl over here. Do it now.
It's off.
Yes, crawl to us. Do it now.
Come over this way.
I'm pushing
Come over this way. Yeah, we get Leslie this.
Huh? All right.
Step out.
Step out.
Okay, don't get off with me. Please stop. I haven't done anything
Okay.
wrong.
Put your hands on your
I
back.
haven't done
Okay.
anything
Put your
wrong.
hands on your back.
I didn't even do anything to
Okay.
begin with.
You should have listened. That's what happened.
What? Aggression?
No, it wasn't like
Yes, it was. Yes, it was. Oh my God. Please
Stop
stop.
moving for a second, please. Thank you.
What began as a traffic stop for an obstructed license plate ended in multiple felony drug charges. Inside the vehicle, deputies recovered 108.5 pills inside a purse, 10 of which tested positive for fentanyl, 21 of which were identified as oxycodone.
You can't put these in front of me.
Congratulations, Amanda. You turned us into something that really didn't need to be.
It's just gonna be it was all it was gonna do was a warning.
Great job, Amanda.
A clear reminder that fleeing or refusing to cooperate during a stop only escalates the situation and adds to the consequences. If you found this video informative, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Your support helps us continue sharing real-world insights and critical moments like this one.